Alright guys, in this video we're gonna go over how you can play Roblox on your TV, smart TV. Now the first method will be going to your smart TV's home screen here. I'm just gonna click on the home screen button, and then you wanna go into the apps section. So if you have an Android TV, you will have the Google Play Store. Now once you go to the apps section here on your TV, you want to use the search bar and you will search for, here it's going to show us movies, shows, apps. You want to click on the search bar and you will just search for Roblox. Now this is not going to be available on all televisions, but in some it is going to be available, and it's going to let you download and get Roblox directly here. So for my TV, it doesn't say that I have any applications called Roblox here. As you can see, if I click on apps, it's not going to show me any. So the second thing that I can do in order to play Roblox on my TV is to get a console which supports Roblox. So for example, here I have the Switch 2. It doesn't support Roblox, but if you have a PlayStation or Xbox, you will be able to play Roblox on your smart TV as long as it is connected through an HDMI cable. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.